Whisperstrike Drone System is a highly advanced and classified military drone technology designed for stealth and precision strikes in modern warfare. Unlike traditional drones, Whisperstrike uses cutting-edge AI and ultra-quiet propulsion systems to infiltrate enemy territory undetected. It's engineered for both reconnaissance and combat missions, making it an invaluable tool for strategic operations without risking human lives. The core feature of the Whisperstrike system is its silent propulsion. Traditional drones are often noisy and can be detected by radar or sound sensors. Whisperstrike, however, operates with a virtually soundless engine, allowing it to fly deep into enemy lines without raising alarms. This technology is essential for stealth missions where detection would compromise the operation. Whether it's gathering intelligence or launching a surprise attack, Whisperstrike can operate in hostile environments without being detected by traditional defense systems. Another major advantage of Whisperstrike is its AI-driven autonomy. These drones are equipped with advanced artificial intelligence that allows them to make real-time decisions on the battlefield. They can identify targets, adjust flight paths, and even evade enemy defenses without human intervention. This makes them highly effective in dynamic combat situations where quick adaptability is key. For example, if the drone detects an incoming threat, it can autonomously change course or engage countermeasures to ensure mission success. Whisperstrike drones are also capable of coordinated swarm tactics. Using advanced communication systems, multiple Whisperstrike drones can work together in a synchronized fashion to overwhelm enemy defenses. This swarm technology allows the drones to execute complex strategies, such as surrounding a target, jamming communications, or launching simultaneous strikes from different angles. The coordinated efforts of multiple drones make it extremely difficult for enemy forces to defend against an attack, as they can be overwhelmed by the sheer number and unpredictability of the drones. In terms of weaponry, the Whisperstrike drone system can be equipped with a variety of precision-guided munitions. These range from small-scale explosives for surgical strikes to electromagnetic pulse (EMP) weapons designed to disable enemy electronics. The drone's ability to carry these different payloads allows them to adapt to various mission objectives, whether it's taking out a specific target or disrupting an entire enemy network. With their precise targeting capabilities, Whisperstrike drones can hit critical infrastructure or eliminate high-value targets without causing collateral damage. Another important feature is the reconnaissance capability of the Whisperstrike drones. They are outfitted with high-resolution cameras, infrared sensors, and advanced radar systems that allow them to gather crucial intelligence. Whether it's mapping enemy positions or monitoring troop movements, Whisperstrike can relay real-time data to command centers, providing valuable insights that can shape the course of a mission. The data collected is also processed by AI systems to provide predictive analysis, helping commanders anticipate enemy actions and adjust strategies accordingly. Whisperstrike drones also offer enhanced survivability. They're equipped with state-of-the-art countermeasures that can confuse or evade enemy missile systems and radar detection. Their stealth design, combined with their AI capabilities, ensures that they can avoid engagement zones or retaliate quickly if attacked. This makes them extremely difficult to shoot down, further ensuring mission success. In future developments, Whisperstrike drones could be integrated with hypersonic flight technology, allowing them to reach speeds much faster than sound, making them even harder to intercept. This next generation of Whisperstrike would be able to deliver payloads or gather intelligence in a fraction of the time compared to current drones, revolutionizing rapid response capabilities in warfare. In conclusion, Whisperstrike drone system represents a significant leap in military drone technology. With its silent operation, AI-driven autonomy, swarm capabilities, and precision weaponry, it provides military forces with an unparalleled advantage in both offensive and defensive operations. Whether used for covert missions, real-time reconnaissance, or surgical strikes, Whisperstrike drones are set to redefine the future of unmanned aerial combat systems.